As Team Torturer and Team Emu continue to argue about the victor of the challenge, more and more competitors are making it to the finish line.
We are proud of you.
Cry it out, it's hard, but it feels so good, doesn't it?
Anna Jane, overwhelmed by her emotions, starts to cry.
Don't cry for me, I'm reaching on. The truth is I never left you all through my wild days.
I felt dizzy. I felt nausea. When I reached at the top, I cried. I cried my whole heart out. Because the first thing, I was just tired.
Monica Wanjiru, whom we had last seen at the first resting camp, is one slow step at a time edging closer to the finish. She has pushed herself and is going to be the last person to finish the challenge. Due to the harsh weather conditions, some of the participants have fallen down and are nursing injuries. However, a paramedic from Meds 24 is on hand to administer first aid.
My injuries were caused by, I was among the 4 who were competing in Team White, so I didn't want to pull them down. See, out of the 4 was the last, out of the 4 in Team White. So they had kept their pace a bit high than mine. So I was pulling myself so hard. But now, I don't know, the shim was there, I just fell down and not once, not twice, but 7 times.
As the paramedic attends to the injured, the contestants come up with games to warm themselves up. With the task successfully completed, it is time for the competitors to descend to the base camp.
Going down this mountain is not as easy as I thought.
No, it's not. I mean, the mountain is a challenge up and down, especially on the knees. You know, you need to put a lot of stress.
Yes.
Well, not need to. You put a lot of stress on the knees when you're walking down the mountain. So it is a challenge and a half.
True that. Naturally it comes to you, just need to let your body go, but you can't. This place is torturous.
Yeah, so you know what? Since the contestants are still up there, we need to go down as fast as we can.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Did you believe that this is the mountain that you're supposed to climb? I just think it's a very huge challenge.
And I scared me choker. It was very tough climbing that mountain.
I always say that I have to get to the finish line regardless of whatever happens.
I was like, man, where am I going to get some air actually to breathe? I'm not used to this. I'm a Nairobi person, I run in Nairobi here and there, but this is amazing.
Most of the contestants, they've never tried this. I'd say everybody got here, everybody made it. That's amazing, you know, for first timer 1 month into the program, that's really good.
Today's experience was tough compared to the last one, because today it was raining and it was very cold and it was slippery, but guys managed to murder it.
Contestants have been brought back to get weighed. And guess what? 6 contestants are going to be up for elimination this week. Let's see what the outcome is going to be. Contestants have been weighed, and that can only mean one thing: more of them up for elimination. But I'm going to hand over to Japheth, who's going to break down to you just how they performed on the weighing scale.
I'll start with Lisa Kaburu. Lisa Kaburu, last week you weighed 108.9. Today you weighed in at 107.2. Next person is McKenna Mireti. Last week you weighed in at 104.3. Today you weighed in at 102.3. Lispa Kamau, Hassan Kitsao, Kenneth Angoho, Lois Shimuli, Kadure Murugi, Mkubwa Kibwana, Geoffrey. Yaseme, how you doing? Last week you weighed in at 132.2. Today you weighed in at 129.6. Right now, I'll hand over straight to Levi and to comment on individuals who will go on the block today.
6 of you will be up for elimination today. And these people are the following. Hassan, another person who added some weight is Lois. Step up. Somebody whose weight loss short because she didn't turn up even for a challenge is Emily. Get here. Joining them is Kenneth, somebody who has been here before, Kibwana, and then this gentleman. You've been missing workouts, by the way. And it has also shown on weight loss. You know yourself, step up, Mohammed. So voting lines will start immediately after this show, 9 p.m., up to Friday the 18th at midday. You vote simply by SMSing to 22840, write ultimate Levy, send it in, and somebody will be able to see your vote. There is one other item on the agenda for this show. We are completely reshuffling your teams. So if I call your name for Team Imu, get behind him. Brian, you're in Team Ibra. Jeff, Team Torture. Monica Wanjiru, Team Imu. Rhoda, Team Torture. So those are your new teams. Let's see how you do.
The voting lines are now open, so vote for the person you want to see stay on this show, or the person you think is going to entertain you the most. The choice is yours. The contestants all shaken up. This is our the challenge. Next week, we're on again. So much to see, so much to do, so many kilograms to lose. Keep it on KTN.
My name is Hassan Kisao. Ningeomba mnipigie kura kwa sababu nataka ku lose weight in 4-month period, a lot of weight, na pia nitakuwa entertainment kwa hii show as well. Kunivotia, tuma SMS kwa nambari 22840 kwanza jina na Ultimate Hassan Kisao. Asante.
Wagwan people, this is Kenneth Angoho. I'm on the chopping block this week. Kindly vote for me. The SMS number is 22840. Start with the word Ultimate and Kenneth. Please vote for me. I think I should still be in this competition. I have more to offer. Please vote for me kindly. 22840, Kenneth. Start with the word Ultimate and Kenneth next. Yeah, thank you guys.
My name is Mohammed Ali. I'm on probation right now. I still need to work hard and lose weight, so please vote for me. Ultimate Mohammed, the number is 22840.
My name is Kibwana. Please vote for me. Just write Ultimate Kibwana, send to 22840. Please vote for me. I love you.
My name is Emily Kerubo. I'm 27 years old. I do 128 kgs. And right now I've been put on elimination because actually I didn't lose more weight. That's why I'm here. So kindly, I'm begging you to vote for me. You can SMS the word Ultimate Emily to 22840. That is Ultimate Emily to 22840. And I'll greatly appreciate for your vote.